Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw and color a super cute fish. It is very easy. Draw some bubbles. Now draw the main body of the fish. It's like a rounded oval but a bit wider in the middle. Like this. Now draw two fins, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now draw mouth and eye. Very good. Now draw tail. Very good. Now add scales. Like this. Very good. Time to color. Use yellow color for the fish. Try to stay inside the lines like this. Use same color for the tail. Great job. For this fish we are going with bright yellow and blue color, but you can use any two colors you like. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Blue color is very cool color. Now we use yellow color for the remaining scales. Like this. Carefully color in the alternating scales with yellow and blue color. Very good. Now use same color for the fins. One on the top and one on the bottom. Now use blue color for the bubbles and use black color for the eye. And there you have it. Your fish is ready. Allah Hafiz.